go. This is a video on how to make homemade Arky jigs. So really, first thing you gotta do is plug in your melting pot. I suggest having a fan, having some ventilation. This thing does emit some smoke. So here we go. First things first, you got it plugged in. Now you're gonna have to go over here. This is the leads. Caution, not certain. This it's already heating up. So we got this up right now. I got it up on 8.5 right now. Homemade Arky jigs. That's one thing I like to do, is always make sure this thing is going to open. So mine's going to open, it's opening, but it's still heating up right now. The mold's still just heating up, so you gotta let that simmer. So while you're letting that simmer, I'm gonna tell y'all the next step. The next step to do is to preheat the mold. So you're gonna want to preheat the mold. Get this thing hot before you run a few actual casts. So another little trick that a lot of people have problems with their metal is that there's a lot of impurities in the metal. I just use old tire weights, so there's going to naturally be some impurities. So what you do is take some candle wax. You just break off a little chunk of it. Just take a little piece of it. Get you a good little bit of it there. Oh yeah, put it in there. It's gonna start smoking. The smoke, you see it? Oh my god. That's smut. Oh, it smells like. That's why you have a fan, y'all. Always keep a fan. Proper ventilation purposes. Cooking though, you see how it's cooking? So after you let that candle wax melt a little bit, impurities come to the top, you're gonna need to get in there, clear them out, go in, make sure all your metals in order. Honestly, it's not looking too bad right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and do a test pour. Got a little drippage action going on here. Always be careful. These molds got little holes in the bottom. But what we got here, a couple of test runs. So we're gonna see what we got. Let's see what we got. See those? Alright, so let's do another run. That's the thing about this process, is sometimes it takes multiple attempts to get that consistency you're looking for, but this will still catch a lot of fish. Here we go. Hopefully this is the one. There we are. We got the whole thing. I'm gonna have to cut off this little excess, these little extra pieces on there, but that's the one. At this point, you can unplug your melting pot. So now I'm actually gonna paint these. On my jigs, I like to just use wire to attach my skirt. Arky style. It's a little finesse jig. Yeah, that'll pretty much catch fish anywhere. So, yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. These are the final products. More finesse jig and then a couple other little finesse Arky jigs. These are good for skipping docks, fishing, lighter cover. Yeah, these lures will work year round, and you can always add a trailer to it, a crawl, or a swim bait. If you guys enjoyed, hit that subscribe button.